I'm having a look at this. Fresh juice. What do you have?
25.
3 different kinds.
25.
20, all are 25, huh? Is this one? Oh, that's that one. Cantaloupe, yeah? Okay, one cantaloupe. Okay, no ice, no ice. Ice, no, please. Okay. Oh, looking good. And that's a petrol generator that they're using to power their blenders. Yeah. Oh, good. A little bit. Yeah, okay, good. Trying to be healthy. Is this whole thing mine? Okay. Looks like it is. Looks like I'm getting the fresh one. Looks like I'm getting the fresh one that they just put in. So I don't know what they're doing with the one that's just lying there, but they're giving me the brand new fresh one, which is fantastic. Just what I want. Did decide to add a wee bit of sugar in there because I wasn't convinced it's going to be sweet enough as a drink. Okay, let's give this a go. Fantastic. Oh, and a half pint glass as well. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Lovely, lovely. I like it, it's good. Almost as thick as a milkshake. It's nice though, it's really nice. Just the right amount of sweetness as well. Just the right amount of sugar in there to make it a nice sweet treat. This one? You want me to try this one? Okay, the pink one. I don't know what it is though. What is it? Is this? Is this? No? Not this? No. This what? Nothing. Oh. What do I try? Okay, some sugary syrup in there. I don't know what it is. It looks like Faluda? Nay Faluda. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to try it. Did she give me change or... Okay, I gave you 50, right? Okay, so that'll be for the 2 drinks. Okay. It's Faluda. Yeah, it's Faluda. I knew it, I guessed it. I tell by the colour. It's that rose Turkish delighty flavour I'm so familiar with from drinking in Sri Lanka. And it tastes just as good as well. Maybe they call it something else here. There's little jelly pieces that she's put in as well with the sugar. I'll tell you what, well hydrated today. There's a lot of milk in there as well. It's pretty good, You're happy that I'm happy, right? You're happy that I'm enjoying your stuff. Oh, fantastic. I gave you 50, right? Okay. You want a handshake? Okay. Handshake, okay. And I give you a little tip since you're both smiling as well. Okay, for you. Tip. Nay tip. Okay, I spent another still. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Oh, wow. It's the first time I've had a street vendor refuse to take the tip. He's just happy that I'm happy. And I was happy that my happiness made him happy. And we're all happy, and we're all hydrated. And we're all enjoying this wee stroll through Madras. Hi, good afternoon. Hi.